guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out not the new but the revamped I Conceal by Image foundation for you guys. I haven't tried the Image foundations yet. I do use the SPF tinted moisturizer a lot and absolutely love it, so I was very excited to try out their Flawless foundation. It has a SPF of 30 in it as well, and comes in this really beautiful little package like that, and I got it in the color Natural. I'm going to have to check out the shade range on the internet, because on Google, whatever, because they just had this one left and seemed close enough to my skin tone, and because it is on the lighter to sheer side, it doesn't really have a huge effect on the coloring of your skin. So its claims are all mineral, broad spectrum UVA UVB protection with zinc oxide and titanium oxide mineral pigment, blend seamlessly to provide a full coverage finish. I think you'd have to apply a lot to get a full coverage finish. Plant stem cells, antioxidants, and skin conditioning botanicals nourish the skin, covers the appearance of redness after cosmetic procedure, minimizes the look of pores and imperfections. And yes, I would say definitely minimizes the pores. Full coverage, not so much. I do see my skin through, but that is not a problem for me. I'm not about full coverage, so I definitely don't mind that. So yes, if you guys haven't already, it would be so great if you could subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see this makeup look, the Image I Conceal foundation, then just keep watching. Okay, so I am just going to apply it directly to my face like this. There was only one of these left when I went to buy it, so I just went with the shade Natural, because that's all they had, but it seemed like it would match up well enough. And then I'm just going to take my brush. And it is a more sheer finish. I've tried it a couple times before, and I added the tinted moisturizer with it because it has a lot more pigment to it. It's like a more gold, warm pigment to it, so I added that into it. But today I'm just gonna go straight up conceal, and it's a little light. I'm gonna have to look at the shade range and figure out if maybe there's a color that's slightly darker that I could go with. But because it's so sheer, I find that it just doesn't lighten my skin too much, and it gives it a nice moisturized, hydrated look too. And then once you go in with your bronzers and contours, your skin always darkens up anyways, but just gives the skin a really nice finish. And I'll definitely have to darken up my neck. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the color Light and put that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and chin. I'm absolutely loving this concealer right now. It is so creamy. It is like got a really nice coverage and it's drugstore. Win-win. Going in with my Huda Beauty Tantour in the color Light, and I'm just going to do my contour and add some tan to my face since this foundation is lighter. I would have used the Huda Beauty anyways, but it will only help to darken my complexion, and I am going to cover up my white neck. I also like to go in with the Tantour and use that as like a cream eyeshadow. That's usually what I do most days for eyeshadows. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in the color Mink and just adding a touch in to my contour just because it is more of a cooler shade. I find the Tantour a little warm for contouring, so I will just go in with a touch of the Anastasia just to kind of give it a more realistic shadow. And now I'm just kind of setting that with the Hoola bronzer. Because the image is more of a dewy foundation, I wanted to go with a cream blush, so I'm using a cream blush by e.l.f. today. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's great. Oh my god. Totally popped out. Oh my god, I can't believe that totally just fell out. Well, I guess I'll just apply the highlighter like this. That's never happened to me. Maybe with some cheap eyeshadows in those like monster palettes that you used to buy like 15 years ago, but oh, it totally just came out. Oh well, it'll be a really loose highlighter now. Alright, this is the final look. For my lips, I went in with a Revlon lipstick that I picked up a couple weeks ago. It's a cream lipstick and it's in the color Bare Affair, and a very nice natural nude tone that is very close to my natural lip color. So really like that. And yes, I really love the I Conceal. It's sheer, it's light, but I think it covers enough and just gives the skin a lot of hydration and your protection with your SPF in it. So if you're looking for something that is a little bit more sheer to light finish, then this is absolutely beautiful. So yes, this is it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.